Which golf GPS watch is actually worth your money? Simple question, but you have to sift through a lot of options to find the right one. Today, I'm breaking down the top picks so you can make an informed choice. Product number 1, Bluetooth Golf Player Plus. Let's kick things off with the Bluetooth Golf Player Plus. This AI-powered GPS speaker caught my eye with its touchscreen display and impressive price of $169.98. If you want a blend of audio and GPS functionality on the course, this is worth a serious look. The touchscreen is user-friendly, making it easy to navigate through features like distance tracking and hazard detection. Imagine knowing exactly how far you are from the green or a hazard, which can really impact your game's strategy. Plus, the 10-hour battery life means you won't be scrambling for a charger halfway through your round. Now, some people complain that the audio could be a bit too loud for quiet courses and might disturb other players. Here's the thing though, if you're a social golfer who likes to share the experience, this feature could actually enhance your game day. It's not a deal breaker unless you prefer complete silence on the course. This is perfect for you if you enjoy a more interactive golfing experience with friends. Skip this one if you're looking for something strictly for distance measurement without the added audio features. For the price, it offers solid value with a unique twist. Product number 2, Garmin Approach S12. Next up is the Garmin Approach S12, priced at $149.99. This watch stands out with its sleek design and user-friendly features. If you want a straightforward GPS watch that keeps you focused on your game, this is definitely worth considering. It provides precise yardages to the front, back, and middle of the green, plus it keeps track of your score seamlessly. This means no more fiddling with paper scorecards, everything is right on your wrist. However, some users noted that it lacks some advanced features like shot tracking unless you purchase additional sensors. That said, if all you need are the basics and straightforward functionality, this watch is a solid pick without the extra bells and whistles. This is ideal for you if you're a more traditional golfer who wants reliable performance without complicating things. Skip this one if you need more advanced tracking features for serious analytics. For its price, it delivers great performance for casual players. Product number 3, Tech ULTG Golf GPS Watch. Now let's talk about the Tech ULTG Golf GPS Watch, available for just $109.99. This one caught my attention for its simplicity and easy setup. If you're looking for a no-frills GPS watch that won't break the bank, you should check this out. Plus, it requires no app or smartphone connection, making it a hassle-free option for anyone who wants to jump straight into their game. It's lightweight and water-resistant, perfect for those unpredictable weather days on the course. That said, some users mentioned the battery life could be a bit short, lasting around 10 hours. But honestly, that's plenty for a couple of rounds, and if you play longer, you can easily recharge it during breaks. So if you're in for a day of golf, you should be good to go. This is perfect for you if you prioritize simplicity and ease of use. Skip this one if you want more advanced features like shot tracking or notifications. For the price, it's a fantastic deal for those who want just the essentials. Product number 4, Garmin Approach S44. Up next is the Garmin Approach S44, priced at $249.99. This watch is a great blend of technology and style. If you want a high-end GPS watch with smart features, this one might catch your eye. The S44 features a stunning 1.2 AMOLED display, giving you a vibrant view of over 43,000 preloaded courses. Plus, it pairs with club tracking sensors for those who want to dive deeper into their performance stats. Imagine tracking your shots and understanding your strengths and weaknesses directly from your wrist. The battery lasts up to 15 hours in GPS mode, which is decent for a watch with so many features. However, some users were put off by the price compared to other models that offer similar basic features. But here's the thing, if you're serious about improving your game and want all the data possible at your fingertips, the investment can pay off in the long run. This is perfect for you if you're serious about your golf game and want to track your performance closely. Skip this one if you're just starting out or don't need all the extras. It's a worthwhile investment for dedicated golfers. Product number 5, Garmin Approach S44 Twilight Band. Last but not least, we have another Garmin Approach S44, this one sporting a Twilight silicone band, also priced at $249.99. If you love the features of the S44 but want a different look, this is the one for you. The essential features are the same, including the AMOLED display and access to over 43,000 courses. The Twilight Band gives it a stylish edge, making it a solid choice if aesthetics matter to you. It includes hazard view for more strategic gameplay and the ability to sync with your smartphone for notifications, so you never miss a beat while you're on the course. However, like the previous S44, some users found the price a bit steep for what they needed. But I'll be real with you, if you value style alongside functionality, this model gives you both. This is perfect for you if you want a stylish yet functional golf watch. Skip this one if you prefer something more basic and straightforward. For those looking for a touch of elegance on the course, it's worth the price. So there you have it. From the social and audio-friendly Blue Tees golf player plus to the sleek and straightforward Garmin Approach S12, and the budget-friendly Tech ULTG to the advanced Garmin Approach S44 models, there's really something for everyone. It all comes down to what you need. Choose wisely and enjoy your next round.